How an IT trainer converted into AI skills trainer. Background: Mark was an IT trainer, responsible for educating employees on various software and technical skills. He enjoyed teaching but felt a growing interest in the field of AI and its implications for workforce training. The transition. To transition into AI training, Mark began taking courses on AI technologies and their applications in business. He was particularly interested in how AI could enhance training programs and improve employee performance. However, he quickly realized that understanding the technology alone wasn't enough. He needed to learn how to effectively teach these concepts. Personal coaching. To facilitate his transition, Mark engaged a personal coach who specialized in AI education and training methodologies. His coach helped him create a structured learning plan, focusing on the unique challenges of teaching AI concepts. They collaborated on developing training modules that integrated AI technologies, allowing Mark to apply his knowledge in a teaching context. Challenges. Mark faced challenges in grasping the technical aspects of AI and understanding how to simplify complex concepts for learners. At times, he felt overwhelmed by the breadth of AI applications. However, his coach provided valuable insights and strategies for making AI accessible to a non-technical audience, helping him build confidence in his teaching abilities. Outcome. With his coach's support, Mark successfully transitioned to the role of AI skills trainer, receiving multiple job offers from organizations looking to enhance their workforce's AI capabilities. His coach assisted him in refining his resume and preparing for interviews, showcasing his unique blend of training experience and AI knowledge. Mark ultimately accepted a position at a prominent training firm focused on AI education. Impact. In his new role, Mark develops and delivers training programs that educate employees on AI technologies, their applications, and best practices. His contributions have significantly improved employee understanding and proficiency in AI tools, leading to increased innovation within the organization. Mark is passionate about his work and frequently shares his journey, highlighting the vital role personal coaching played in his successful transition, inspiring others to seek mentorship in their career paths.